our Taffy mail for September?
September.
First of all, we've got some combos, sweet and salty. What's that?
A drink.
Apricot sparkling water.
Interesting.
What's that? What have you got?
This.
Oh, let's have a look what that is.
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
It's Kool-Aid, pink lemonade flavour.
Oh,
We've got some deep dish pizza flavoured cheese curls and some sour Warheads sour jelly beans.
oh, my favourite.
Oh, we've got some high chew
Oh, my
fruity candy
favourite.
grape flavour. Oh, lovely. Oh, what's that? A grape flavour soft chew.
Oh, these are like
Some
polo.
wild cherry lifesavers.
Oh.
Some Mike and Ike sourlicious fruit punch. A Three
Oh,
Musketeers.
Nice. What's this one?
And a almond joy.
One Swedish fish.
One Swedish fish and a box of cereal.
Super Mario is
Super
my
Mario cereal.
favourite. I got a Wii in my room, and there's lots of games on it. I got a Wii Fit.
And it's marshmallows in there as well, so we like that. Oh, that sounds really good. We've got some cinnamon red hots, they're nice. And also a nice vanilla Charleston chew. Is that everything?
No,
Yeah.
nothing there.
That's everything. So that's it. That's our Taffy mail for September. Okay, so this is everything in the extra box this month. Loads of nice things, lots of variety, and first time we've had cereal since we started getting the
looks
extra box,
good.
and it does look good. So
The cereal.
let's try some. We're not going to try it all today because it's close to bedtime, so we're just going to try one or two bits, and then
Not
we'll let you know.
two.
So first we're going to try deep dish pizza flavoured cheese curls. There you go. Wow, they're like a giant long Cheeto, like if a Cheeto and a knick-knack and a love child. They are really nice.
You could,
I wouldn't
it's
say
mostly cheese.
it tastes like pepperoni pizza. I'm quite surprised actually, 'cause they really do taste like it.
You were going to say they didn't.
I know,
It's because
but
of the aftertaste.
Yeah, first of all they don't. They just taste like a what's it, and then they kind of have a pizza aftertaste. It's really good. So how many thumbs up for those?
100.
100 thumbs up.
This.
Well, I don't know, they might be a bit spicy for you. Let's see what else we'll try. Okay, let's move on to the next thing.
I think these.
Okay, so
Oh, I
next we're
love
going to try
combos.
some combos. Sweet and salty caramel pretzel. So let's give these a go. Okay, so we had these combos before.
The pizza version.
Yeah, the pizza version. And we've also had a few different versions where we had the pretzel box. Do you remember we had like blue cheese flavour and stuff?
One plus on that one.
But these look really nice. They're caramel. So, what do you think of those?
It's like a slime.
Well, nice and sweet. Can't get the salt,
Do you want one?
but the caramel is really nice, really buttery.
1,000 thumbs up.
Right, so next we're going to try the sour jelly beans. A choice of the little one. Little one. So we're going to try these and see what they're like. We're going to try them first, Mummy and Daddy, to make sure they're not too sour. And we'll see what they're like. So here they are out of the pack. They look a bit bumpy, a bit like a rainbow drop. I'm going to see if they're too sour. So I'm going to try the green, which are probably lime. They're a bit sour. They're still sweet. So there you go. You got one? There you go. What do you think of those?
I don't think they're sour at all.
No, they're not sour
They're just
at
a
all.
bit fizzy.
A bit fizzy. So not sour, she's going in for another one.
They're not like Sour Patch.
Do you like those?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think of those, Edward?
Look,
How many thumbs up for those?
I think it's 101.
101 thumbs up.
No.
So they're very nice, okay. Yeah, we'll have a Three Musketeers bar, which is like a bit like a Milky Way, and the little one's the drink. So we'll have the drink after this chocolate bar. So let's see what this is like. So here's the Three Musketeers bar, a bit like a Milky Way. Whoop, straight off me. Take it straight out of the pack and a massive bite. You can share that with everybody else? So let's pass that round.
Nice and smooth.
Nice and smooth. They're usually very nice, Three Musketeers. It's nice and fudgy. A lot like a Milky Way, but better. That's the biggest bite I've ever seen in my life.
Let's let you have a bite of that.
So I think everybody likes the Three Musketeers bar. How many thumbs up for that one?
I think that's 102.
102 thumbs up. That was very nice. So as it's close to bedtime, we don't want to kids have too much sugar, so it's going to try an Almond Joy, and that's it. We've had the Red Hots before, little cinnamon candies. They're really nice. Swedish Fish is just a jellyfish, really hard, a bit like a strawberry. You get over here, strawberry jellies. We haven't had those before, but Mike and Ike's are always good. We always love the flavours of Mike and Ike's. High Chew. I think we've had something like this before. But Fruity Grape. Wild Cherry Lifesaver. And then we've just got the drink. So we might do a little bit of video on the drink as well, but not on the Kool-Aid, because I'll have to make that and get it in the fridge to cool for a couple of hours. So let's try the Almond Joy. Okay, so last thing is the Almond Joy. So it's a bit like a Bounty, but slightly thinner, with an almond on top. So let's give those a go. So let's try the drink, which is apricot flavour. I don't think I've ever had an apricot flavoured drink before. Oh, that's a no. That's definitely a no for that one. Oh, is it a no?
Yeah.
Is it a no? Is it a yes? No, it's definitely a no. It's definitely a no. What do you think, Edward?
Maybe one.
One thumb up. Right, let me give it a
I
go.
know she keeps going back for more. I think it's just too fizzy.
Ooh, I don't really like that. It's really, really bland. It's like flavoured water, carbonated water with some squash in it. Nice to try something new, Taffy Mail, but not again, perhaps. So that's it for today. That's all we're going to do. We've given you an overview of the rest of the stuff. We'll open the cereal to have a look what's inside there. See what it looks like, but then that'll be the end of the video. Okay, so this is what the cereal looks like out of the box. Marshmallows, and they don't get as many marshmallows as you do in Lucky Charms, but still they look really nice, really tasty. I'm looking forward to the mixed berry flavour. Or actually, perhaps you do get as many. Let's just look at
It
the
was
wrong
laying
side.
down in the box.
Yeah, perhaps that's where it was. So there you go. So yeah, and that's it. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, comment and like.
Comment and like. Comment and like. Bye.
Bye.